together. Rosie.
Is this the swirling portion or the twirling portion?
Rosie. We go to Rosie. We go to Rosie's school every day. We go to Rosie. We go to Rosie. We go to Rosie school. Rosie school. Rosie school. Rosie school. Rosie school. Rosie school.
Whoa!
Rosie school. We all go to Rosie school every day. We cannot wait to do our homework and to do journals. Go out to recess and eat lunch. We all go to school